Okay, time to go. It's been crazy over here. Well, hopefully I get out safely. I don't fall again. Please don't fall. Bye. Oh fuck. I almost died. Ah, sorry. Yep, could have died. Okay, I made it. That's terrible. I'm seeing a little bit of devastation from the hurricane. Like, I just saw a tree like over a house, and then the speedometer sign is down. All these trees are down. Wow. I don't know, I've never been through a hurricane before in my whole life. It was a crazy experience. Well, the most part was, I guess, it's just crazy rain, like non-stop rain for hours, no electricity. Yeah, that was okay. But I think the great thing was the eye of the hurricane was going to hit us, but it didn't. It went more east and stayed. I'm seeing a little bit more of the devastation over here. Look at the right side. Like today's the, let me think, second day after the hurricane. So I would think it was worse yesterday. Like all this debris would have been on the road, but I'm sure people must have done something like yesterday to do, like clean it up. Well, yesterday we had no service. Like Telcel died. Telcel was down for like hours. Yeah, and I wanted to like take out money from the banks, but none of them were working. Yeah, that was terrible. And also the initial plan was to go to Mazunte, but I don't think it's a good idea. And it's okay if I don't see Punta Cometa or Playa Zipolite. I'm not going to die if I don't see it, but the most important thing is getting the Cheddar by the 3rd of July to get my 400 USD that I paid for my temporary import back, and that's the most important thing. And today I almost was thinking like I shouldn't go. Maybe I should stay one more day and see if one more day would help with all of the cleanup and I'll be able to go to Mazunte. But I thought about it, yeah, because I tried calling the hotels and they still didn't have service. I was picking up the phones. I tried calling Huatuco and it seemed okay, so I'm thinking it's better at Huatuco. But I was talking to like a couchsurfer in Huatuco and he said that there's a shortage of water over there. But when I called the hotels, like no one was saying anything about this. I don't know what's happening. We'll see. We'll find out later. Crazy. It looks a little worse here. Another hurricane somewhere in the mountains in the middle of nowhere. I don't know. Whoa. Look at the trees here. Starting to look very swampish. Look at all the signs. Wow. Whoa, look over here. Shit. Okay, I think it's getting a little bad here. Look at the signs. Ooh. Oh shit. What does this mean? Oh. Here? Okay, the guy just went up and then he went back down. I think he tried to go past the barrier but he couldn't, so he went back down wondering like what is in front. Oh crap, this place looks bad. Wherever we are, we at like Mazunte. or near Mazunte. Holy crap. What happened here? Oh my god, why is the whole place just emptiness? It's just mud. It's a fallen power grid. Oh, okay. Shit. What happens here now? Do I continue on the wrong side of the road or here? I don't know. Okay. Holy crap. Turn off my triangle. Shit. Oh, people are clearing it up. Oh, it looks bad here. It was hit hard here. I think we were really lucky at Puerto Escondido. Like it was supposed to come for us, but it just moved coast. Wow. Shit. Lots of debris. It's terrible. Holy crap. Dirtier roads. That guy is so impatient. That guy in front is terrible. I don't think he understands. Gosh. Whoa, so much sand and shit everywhere. Whoa. It doesn't look good. Like, what's the point of going so close to the car in front? Like, why? Oh, gosh. There's some blockage in front. I don't know what it is, but we've been here for a while. There's a car behind that seems to want to go in front. I don't know, should I go in front too? Let's just take a look. Okay, time for us to go. Fuck. Oh, and it's raining a little bit. Oh. Okay, that was scary. Seems to be getting worse. I don't know if I made the right decision to go, but we'll find out. Fuck. Why are they running? La ruta enfrente es más fea. ¿O cómo así?
¿El camino de enfrente?
Sí.
Ya está mejor que el palo.
¿Más mejor? Ok, ok, gracias.
Debe conducir con precaución.
Ok, gracias.
¿Usted es de China?
No, de Singapur.
Ah, Singapur.
Sí.
¿Habla inglés?
Sí, hablo inglés. ¿Tú hablas inglés? ¿Solo español?
¿Una 600?
No, 300. Sí.
Bueno, pero ya...
Sí es suficiente para mí, sí. ¿Y tú manejas moto también?
Sí, pero no de esa.
¿Qué moto tienes?
Es semiautomática.
Ah, muy bien.
Ya se prolongó una tormenta, pero no tocó aquí.
Ok.
Dañó todo el camino. De aquí hasta antes de llegar al aeropuerto de Huatulco.
¿Y Huatulco está bien ahora o no?
Huatulco sí.
¿Sí?
Aquí para allá ya está un poco limpio. Ayer estaba más,
¿Más feo?
más lleno de tierra, de tierra.
¿Lleno de tierra ayer? Ok.
Se derrumbó mucho los cerros.
Pero...
Allá creo que no sé si vio que está un poco...
no, también. También.
De hecho allá está peor el camino.
Ok.
Creo que entran nomás un carril y circulan los camiones.
Pero esta situación es común cada año o no? ¿Cada año?
Cada año, ahorita
¿Siempre hay huracán?
siempre hay huracán.
¿Sí? Oh, shit.
Tormentas tropicales, pero huracán en tiempo de aguas muy poco.
Ok.
Ya tiene varios años que pasó un huracán. Estamos hablando de hace casi como unos 32 años, 30 años que pasó un huracán. Llovió con una tormenta. Gracias a Dios que no pegó mucho, pero sí afectó.
Sí.
Aquí hay muchos árboles que cayeron los árboles.
Sí. Los árboles.
Se llevó las casitas, todos los animalitos que tenían en los corrales, se los llevó.
Sí. Ah. ¿Sí o no? They're like, see. But then they're still playing bulldozer. Fuck. Well, he said it is better in front. I don't know, honestly. What happened here? Okay, for some reason I smell cheese balls. Fuck. It's getting a bit rainy-ish. Oh, who's calling? That's weird. +1. So it's the US. I have no idea. Oh my god, I just want to make it to Huatuco safely. So there's a tope somewhere there with all this mud. Where was it? Don't know. I don't even know where's the tope anymore. Huh. Whoa, just look at that. It's like devastation everywhere. What are these people doing? Is there a group of them? So many women. It seems way worse. Fuck. Is it because of the construction site or because of the hurricane? Who knows? Both. Whoa. Oh my god.